Have you ever wondered why some YouTube channels explode with millions of views, while others struggle to get even 100? The truth is, YouTube growth isn't based on luck anymore. The algorithm rewards creators who keep people watching. In this video, I'll share 7 proven tips that can help you grow your YouTube channel faster in 2026. Let's begin. Tip 1. Pick one clear niche. The biggest mistake beginners make is uploading random content. One day it's gaming, the next day it's motivation, then it's tech or finance. When your content is about everything, YouTube doesn't know who to recommend it to. Choose one niche, understand your audience, and keep creating content around that topic. Successful channels become known for one thing first, then expand later. Tip 2. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. The first few seconds decide whether someone keeps watching or scrolls away. Don't start your video with long introductions. Instead, immediately tell viewers what they'll learn. For example, want to double your YouTube views? Here's the biggest mistake almost every creator makes. A strong hook increases audience retention, and that's exactly what YouTube wants. Tip 3. Focus on watch time. Views are important, but watch time is even more important. If viewers stay until the end of your video, YouTube sees it as valuable content and starts recommending it to more people. Keep your videos engaging. Remove boring moments. Keep the pace fast. Always give viewers a reason to keep watching. Tip 4. Create searchable titles and thumbnails. Your thumbnail gets the click. Your title explains the value. Don't create clickbait. Instead, create curiosity. For example, instead of saying, "My new video," say, "7 YouTube mistakes that are killing your channel." Simple, clear, clickable. That's the goal. Tip 5. Upload consistently. You don't need to upload every day. Quality matters more than quantity. A realistic schedule is 2 or 3 high-quality videos every week. Consistency builds trust with both your audience and the YouTube algorithm. The more you publish, the more data YouTube has to understand your audience. Tip 6. Study your analytics. Most creators ignore YouTube Studio. Big mistake. Look at your click-through rate. Look at audience retention. Look at average view duration. If people leave after 20 seconds, improve your opening. If nobody clicks, improve your thumbnail and title. Every video teaches you something. The best creators constantly learn from their analytics. Tip 7. Never give up too early. Most YouTubers quit before they ever succeed. Many successful channels uploaded dozens of videos before getting their first viral hit. Every upload improves your editing, storytelling, and understanding of your audience. Success on YouTube comes from consistency, patience, and continuous improvement. Final thoughts. Let's quickly recap. Pick one niche. Hook viewers immediately. Increase watch time. Create better titles and thumbnails. Upload consistently. Study your analytics. And most importantly, don't quit. Remember, every successful YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. Your next upload could be the video that changes everything. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your biggest challenge on YouTube right now?